Hi everyone and welcome to Blue Spoon Veggie. Today I'm baking some soft Herby bread rolls which are great to take on a picnic. See my veggie picnic video linked below for 2 tasty filling ideas for the rolls. If you prefer, you can bake a small Herby loaf instead of rolls. This bread is great to serve alongside a bowl of tasty soup. They even kind of match each other. Now let's get baking. To get the Herby rolls started, I'm adding some salt and quick yeast to my bowl of bread flour. See the description below for full details of the ingredients. Of course, kneading the dough by hand is fine, but I'm feeling lazy, or maybe efficient, and I'm using a dough hook on my food processor. Add in the liquids, starting with some warm water. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Try to use a nice extra virgin olive oil here. You'll definitely taste the quality. Next, in goes a teaspoon of honey. Time to chop the herbs for the rolls now. I'm using parsley and thyme, but feel free to choose your favourite herbs. I'm stripping the leaves off the thyme to gather 1 teaspoon's worth of leaves, which should be around 4 stems. Add the herbs to the dough ingredients. I'm using my ever handy wooden spatula to help with this. Let's prepare a bowl for the dough to prove in. Just a light brush of olive oil is enough. Then put the dough on to knead for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just making sure the processor doesn't fly off the surface here. Once the dough is thoroughly kneaded, brush some oil on your hands, ready to transfer it to a large bowl. Let's see if I can persuade the dough out of the processor. Gently slide the Herby dough off the dough hook. It smells like some lovely fresh garden, and form into a ball. Still warm from the warm water, it's a pleasure to handle this dough. Pop the dough into the bowl and turn it over a couple of times to coat it in the oil. Then cover the bowl and leave it somewhere warm for 2 hours. You can get ahead now and brush an oven tray with some olive oil, ready to bake the rolls on later. After 2 hours, the dough should be nice and risen, so we can form the little rolls before leaving them for another hour to rise even more. Give the dough a good knead to break down the gas bubbles which will have formed while it was proving. Then gradually shape the dough into a log, ready for dividing into some little rolls. I'll be making 6 small rolls. You could always opt to make fewer larger rolls and give them a couple of extra minutes in the oven. Cut the dough into sections. Shape each piece into a ball. When you've formed all the rolls, transfer them to the oil tray, pressing each one down as you go. Then cover the tray again for 1 hour. After an hour, bake the rolls at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes. You will know when the rolls are ready, because the kitchen will smell like a herb garden on a warm day, with a lovely bready smell added in, of course. Be sure to take a look at my picnic rolls, wraps and sandwiches video linked below for ideas for filling the rolls, plus lots of other suggestions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more recipes from Blue Spoon Veggie, and I hope to see you again soon.